Assalamu alaikum students. Today we shall solve the assignment number 2 of English class 7. First of all, we have to choose the correct options. Number 1. In the poem Caged Bird, Grave of Dreams is used as dash. Simile, metaphor, alliteration. The answer is metaphor. Number 2. A free bird dash leaps on the back of wind, dares to claim the sky, or both. The answer is leaps on the back of wind. Number 3. Compound epithet means dash. Option A, two words joined by a hyphen, B, two words joined by comma, or both. The answer is A, two words joined by a hyphen. Number 4. In the poem My Puppy Punched Me, the words puppy punched are example of metaphor, assonance, or alliteration. The answer is alliteration. Number 5. A rare bird is an idiom that means somebody or something of a kind that one seldom sees. B. People having similar interests. C. People having similar backgrounds. The answer is A, somebody or something of a kind that one seldom sees. Now we will answer the following questions. Question number 1. Consult a dictionary and write meanings of frightful, slammed, rare, and whacked. The meaning of frightful is serious or shocking, slammed, forcefully or loudly, rear, the back part of something, whacked, completely exhausted. Question number 2. Write pair of rhyming words from the poem. The answer is hill, trill, dream, scream, trees, breeze. Question number 3. Take a colored paper, write definition and example of alliteration and assonance and then paste. Students, इसमें alliteration और assonance की definitions मैंने write down कर दी हैं, बट असाइनमेंट के मुताबिक आपने इनको किसी कलर्ड पेपर पे लिख के उसके बाद अपनी असाइनमेंट के ऊपर पेस्ट करना है. आंसर, alliteration, when a writer repeats the consonant sounds at the beginning of words. For example, in the poem Puppy Punched Me in the Eye, the words puppy punched are alliterative. They both begin with P. Assonance, when a writer repeats the vowel sounds in the stressed syllable of words. For example, in the poem My Rabbit Waked My Ear, the words rabbit waked are an example of assonance because they both contain a short A sound on the stressed syllable. Question number 4. Maya Angelou was an American poet. Write few lines about her. Answer, Maya Angelou was born on 4th April 1928. She was an American poet and civil rights activist. She published 7 autobiographies, 3 books of essays, several books of poetry, and is credited with a list of plays, movies, and TV shows. She received dozens of awards and more than 50 honorary degrees. Question number 5. What do you know about free bird and a caged bird? Answer, free bird. Free bird leaps on the back of winds, has freedom to go anywhere, traveling with breeze, achieve his dreams anytime. Caged bird. Caged bird is in cage, no opportunity to see beyond cage, trapped clipped wings, can only sing freedom songs in fearful voice. Last question, question number 3. Write a paragraph on coronavirus as pandemic. Answer, heading coronavirus a pandemic. The coronavirus pandemic is the defining global health crisis of our time and the greatest challenge we have faced since World War II. It has affected several lives and countries around the world. Every day people are losing jobs and income. The outbreak coronavirus disease has created a global health crisis. It has also created mental health issues in women and children. It has killed millions of lives, टिल डेट। स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप आपने असाइनमेंट नंबर 2 नोट कर ली होगी। अगर आप कोई भी क्वेश्चंस पूछना चाहते हैं तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर लिखिए, और नेक्स्ट असाइनमेंट्स भी आप लोगों की जल्दी अपलोड कर दी जाएंगी। और वीडियोस को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर किया करें ताकि उन तमाम स्टूडेंट्स तक वीडियोस पहुंच सकें जिनके पास अभी तक बहुत सारे लेसन्स अवेलेबल नहीं हैं, सो दैट वो भी अपना काम कंप्लीट कर सकें। और फ़ीडबैक देना इसलिए भी ज़रूरी है ताकि अगर कोई कमी पेशी रह जाए तो उसको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में इम्प्रूव किया जा सके। अपना ख्याल रखिए। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।